Hi, welcome to this In-Front Consulting Group demonstration video illustrating how it's possible to leverage the new PowerShell web browser dashboard widget in System Center Operations Manager 2012 upwards. My name is Craig Taylor. I'm a Senior Technical Consultant for In-Front Consulting Group UK. You can follow me on Twitter via my handle @LupoLupi. Also, feel free to subscribe to my blog toobigfortwitter.com, where I post a mix of virtualization, monitoring and PowerShell tutorials and snippets. So, a little bit of background before we dig into the demo. Numerous new dashboard widgets have been made available to us as part of the latest update roll-ups for System Center Operations Manager 2012 R2 and 2012 SP1. Tao Yang recently took us through implementing the PowerShell Grid widget and PowerShell Browser widget on his blog, Tao Yang Systems Management blog. We're going to expand a little bit further on what's possible with the PowerShell Web widget. The scenario concerned is where we might want to monitor multiple Windows servers in different locations. We want to visualize the position of these servers on a map without investing in third-party extensions. So, some example use cases: a large-scale organisation with multiple data centers over the globe, or, as per Tao's specific use case, a retail organisation with monitored points of sale in their stores. To get this solution off the ground, we have populated a registry of some monitored computers in my lab with some arbitrary address values. We've also created an associated discovery and custom class based on the Windows computer class. Once the discoveries are fired and our inventory has been populated, we're in a position to use our configured dashboard. We've also implemented a basic dashboard displaying the remote computers themselves, their health states. If we click on any one of these, we'll see the components that are hosted by this custom class and their health state. More importantly, we'll also see Bing Maps rendering the object based on its location, derived from a search of its address against the Google Geocode API and layering the coordinates straight on. You'll also see that the pins are labelled with the host name of the monitored object and the address attribute. Furthermore, it's possible to invoke Bing Map functions such as directions, zooming and deleting a pin if you so wish. Not sure why you'd want to do that. So let's try and get to this location from Oxford. Say it's a till that needs repairing. And we're getting that visualization there to give us a handle on how long it's going to take to get there. Finally, we can also select multiple pins to create a dynamically scaled Bing Map visualization of the object's locations. So, 1 second. Don't try this at home with slow bandwidth. There we go. So, hopefully this video has given you some food for thought on what can be achieved using the PowerShell web widget. If you want to implement something like this in your environment, I recommend going to Tao Yang's blog for the implementation how-to and toobigfortwitter.com for some ideas on how to take it a little bit further. If you'd like to learn more about dashboard possibilities available to you with SCOM 2012, be it native options or third-party extensions, feel free to grab me on Twitter or via my employer, the System Management Specialists In-Front Consulting Group. We're really looking forward to hearing from you.